Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, what were you saying about my hair?
I'm combing your hair today.
Do you like my hair?
Yeah, so I'm gonna comb it now.
What are you gonna do to it?
I'm just gonna comb it with my hand and then brush it. Maybe brush it with the softer.
With a softer brush?
Yeah, with the softer one. That one, I'm gonna feel if one is harder and one is soft.
Okay.
So let me see what soft. So this one is soft.
Okay.
This one is soft. So I'm gonna use soft bar. Soften. It's hurt?
No. It hurts a little bit. Ow!
Sorry. But it's not the harder one. This one is the harder one. So mine don't hurt.
Okay.
So if you want the harder one or
No.
the soft one?
I want the soft one.
Okay. So let's put it right here and put it up there. Put it up.
So you're making me look like a princess?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do it like this.
Okay. That's beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do this. This.
What?
This.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it over like
Oh, I'm gonna put it behind my ear?
over where is the bat is.
Okay, gonna put it to the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it this to the earring.
To the earring?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna brush it. So if you want the hard one now,
I don't want the hard one, I want the soft one.
feel it if it's off.
Okay, this one is soft and this one is hard.
Okay, put it right here. Okay, I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet?
So I'm gonna fix it up.
Come around this side. Oh, but I think it's messy.
What? Okay, I'm gonna fix it properly.
Okay.
Okay. It's
Do I look beautiful now?
not yet.
Not yet?
Something is in here. So all of them is so dirty.
My hair is dirty?
So I'm gonna clean all of them. All of the dirty things. I'm just kissing you because I love you.
You're just kissing me because you love me? I love you too. You're so sweet. You know that?
Why I'm sweet.
Because you're saying you're kissing me because you love me.
And I'm doing it. Yeah. See.
Yes. I can't say it if you hold my mouth.
Say it now.
You're doing my hair.
Because I love you.
Because I love you.
So I'm doing the back off.
Alright, but you need to finish now because we're going to be late.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna stand there and do it.
Okay.
So wait a second. So do not push me.
I'm not going to push you. Why would I push you?
You're failed.
Oh my God. Why would I need to push you?
If you push me at the side, I'm gonna fall.
Yeah, I'm not going to push you.
Well, will you push me?
I didn't push you. You are lying.
Sorry.
Oh my God, Robin.
I'm just standing in the bathtub.
Okay, you're in the bathtub.
So I don't have to stand on the thing,
How
right?
do I look? I want to see how I look. Can I get the mirror?
Okay. I'm not finished yet, okay?
I need to see. You're taking forever. I didn't spend my money to be this long at the hairdresser. Alright. Yeah, I love it. It's so beautiful.
But I'm not finished.
You're taking too long. I need to go to another hairdresser that's not going to take this long.
I'm not gonna take longer.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take a little bit of, I'm gonna just do something and then I'm gonna also finish.
Okay.
Is it
I'm looking gorgeous. I love it. Wow.
Am I a good hairdresser?
Yes, you're a good hairdresser.
Why?
Because you did my hair good and I love it.
So I'm gonna brush this the other side.
Can I pay you with a sock? I don't have any money though. Can I give you a sock?
No, only a ball.
Okay.
A ball.
I'm gonna pay you with a sock so you can wear that to school.
Ew.
Ew. It's your sock and they're not stinky. I don't know. Let me smell. They're not. Because you haven't worn them yet. They're new.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Wear them.
I think I'm finished. I think my ride is here, so I need to go now. I need to go
I'm
home.
not yet. I'm not finished. I'm just doing something first.
I don't like this hairdresser anymore. I'm not coming back.